Hello, welcome back to Capsim 2023 Route 5, right? Route 5. This video gives the details guide and tip to how to save the company from Route 3. You can find in watch the video Route 3 and 4. We have saved the company from Route 3, and now the companies you see Team B that they get back the good sales, right? Get back the good sales after Route 3 and 4. And now it is round 5, the company start getting back the good sales and profit, right? So you see that we update the product by increased performance and size. Team did make some mistake in round 1 and round 2, so we started fixing the company from round 3. It is much more difficult to save the companies than we start right from round 1. So for the team, if you are in round 1, you don't need to watch this video. You can find the video to how to get the top sale and profit from the early rounds, right? So this video support the teams if they did make some mistake in round 1 and round 2, and now we can fix that, right? So to prove that we can fix that slowly, round 3, round 4, and now this round 5, we continue to fixing the company, and then we can get back the top sale and profits for round 6, 7, and 8. That is a good result. Even we made some mistake in round 1 and round 2, and now we start having the saving the company from round 3. So we did well in round 3 and round 4 with fixing the R&D, adding new two products, and now round 5 we just keep moving ahead with the right strategy, right? We reduce the price by 50 cents to increase the product competitiveness, and we increase promotion and budget to and sale budget to 1,800, right? If you have more fund, we can increase that to 2,000, right? It's okay, but this guy the companies have limited funds, so we spend 1,800. And you check the career report as you are seeing on the screen. We start to sell well, even we have some inventory, but it's okay. Some inventory together with the production capacity, we can meet the demand, higher demand in the coming rounds, right? So inventory in this case is not so bad, right? Because the company have limited production capacity, so some inventory from the previous round and the capacity of this round, we can meet higher demand in this round or in the coming rounds, right? The next round. So we calculate the sale focus based on the unit we sold from last round. We can add about 10% or 20% because our product is getting better and better specification right now. So if you need the support, you can send the email. If you need the Excel file, you can send the email. I can prepare the Excel file for you, send you the free Excel file, right? So we can calculate faster. And now we look at the screen of production, and for production we see that we can calculate production based on the sale focus minus inventory, right? Minus inventory or deduct inventory. As you see on the screen, we are inputting that. Try to put that carefully, right? Do not make mistake 2 times, right? So enough in round 1 and 2, and this is round 5. We have fixed the company and get back good sales and profits. So let's keep going with the precise data, right? So we input the production schedule calculated by the sale focus and deduct or minus inventory, right? We need to check that within the limit, within the 2 times 200% of the production capacity, right? So we need to after set the production schedule, we need to adjust or update capacity, right? We buy more capacity for good selling product, traditional and low-end products, two strong products with a 70% of market share, right? And also we increase the production capacity for the new product. We increase the automation for the product within the limited funds, right? We have limited fund from last round, so which is quite difficult. So you know that the problem with the company, if they made mistake in round 1 and round 2, in later rounds they get very limited fund for production expansion. So that's the problem. We need to do that. We need to balance that, right? We cannot go faster as the other normal company, right? You made mistake in round 1 and round 2, you get very low sale and low profit, and then you get very small funds to expand production from round 3 or 4 or 5. So that's one of the problem. But don't worry, we can expand production gradually, step by step, each round. So we get back good sale in round 5, good sale in round 6, and top sale and profit in round 7 and round 8, right? And the most important thing you are looking at on the screen is to update R&D, because the high quality product is the most important factors to meet the customer buying decision, right? Buying criteria. So you see that this is a way to save, how to save the company, right? If you need have any question, you can send the email. If you need the free support, you can send the email for 2 rounds, and also you can download the free Excel file under the link of this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.